Happy Star Wars Day, everybody. It's Dave here from Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Today we're going to take a page from the Star Wars cookbook and I'm going to show you how to make Sandtrooper Sandies, only on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. My Fox Hollow fam, I'm Dave and welcome to Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. Well, today is Star Wars Day, as I said before, and today we're going to show you a fun, simple recipe for Sandtrooper Sandies. They're light and delicious and they keep you away from the dark side. So if you're ready, then let's have some fun. Okay, the first thing we're going to do for our dough is we need 2 cups of flour.
Okay.
And just a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
And that's it. And we're just going to whisk that together real quick. And then set it aside.
Okay.
Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, I need 1½ sticks of butter. That's 3/4 cup. At room temperature, basically. Throw that into our stand mixer. And then 1¼ cups of sugar. Get that in there. We're going to attach our paddle attachment here. And we are going to mix this on medium-high speed until it's light and fluffy. I'll give it a second here. Okay, that looks pretty good. What you end up with is something that looks like mashed potatoes. And we're going to add 2 eggs.
Now, Dave, do you need to have the yolks broke for this or not?
No, not for this. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to beat this again until it's all mixed together. Okay, that's looking good and mixed together here. So we're going to take our flour mixture and add that in a little bit at a time.
Why don't you want to add it all at once?
Because your flour will go everywhere, for one thing. And it just makes it a little smoother if you do it all together at one piece at a time. Okay. We're just going to blend this together. I'll keep adding flour until all the flour is incorporated. Okay, our dough is looking good. We're going to take this up and we're going to roll it into a ball and then flatten it into a disc, cover it with plastic wrap, and refrigerate it for about an hour to get that butter hardened up a little bit.
Okay.
And that's it. Okay, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to put some flour down. Just give it a little spread here. And we're going to take our cookie dough that I just took out.
Okay, Dave, now that you're starting to make a little bit of progress here.
Yeah.
What, I know I've probably asked you before for a different Star Wars episode, but I'm going to ask you again.
Sure.
What's your favorite Star Wars movie?
Empire Strikes Back.
Why?
I just think it's the best of the sequels, or even prequels. I just think it's well acted and well directed. I mean, it does suffer from being like the middle child. Nothing really gets resolved at the end, but it's still a really good movie. We're just going to roll this out until it gets about a 1/4 inch thick.
Okay. Now, I did do a little research.
Okay.
About Chewbacca.
Chewbacca, okay.
Yes. Do you know what Chewbacca's roar is a mix of?
No.
According to Google, and I quote, Chewbacca's roar is a mix of badger, lion, seal, and walrus noises.
Wow, okay.
And also, the Millennium Falcon.
Uh-huh.
Design was inspired by a hamburger.
A hamburger, okay.
Believe it or not.
It kind of looks like that, yes.
So those are our Star Wars Did You Know facts of the week.
Did you know? Okay. So I'm going to cut out some pieces here. Now that I got this kind of a 1/4 inch thick, I'm going to cut out some pieces. I have circles and stars we're going to use today.
Okay.
And just cut out some.
Well, we could say knockoff Death Stars.
Sure. It's Death Stars. And that's about a 1/4 inch thick. Yep.
Yep.
So we're going to use stars and we're going to re-roll the dough as necessary to make as many as we need to.
Yes.
We're going to put these on parchment paper. And bake them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes until they start to turn brown around the edges. That's when they're done.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to cut these out. This will take a few minutes and re-roll the dough, and we'll get as many out of it as we can.
All right, sounds great.
And now for the best part, the taste test. I have one of the cookies here. That is delicious. We're going to chase it down. These are great. You guys are going to love them. Wrapping up today, I want to thank you again for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before I go, always remember, it's good times and good food only on Baking with Fox Hollow Kitchen. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video or any of our other videos,
Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.